If you're looking for beautiful plus size style, look no further. I have 12 of the best stores for plus size ladies. Hey, this is Netta. I help women over 40 have fun with fashion and feel confident in their style. One of the things that I think really makes us feel more confident is wearing clothes that really fit us properly and that were made to fit us rather than having things that we're always tweaking and altering and changing so that they work better. Not that I'm against alterations, but you have to start with pieces that are fundamentally designed to fit and flatter your body. If you don't, you're going to find yourself frustrated and spending way too much time trying to fit yourself into clothes that were never designed for you to begin with. So that's true of all of us who fall outside of any kind of special or standard size range. So those of us who are petite, tall, plus, whatever your size range is, if you can start with brands and retailers that focus more exclusively on your size range, you're going to be so ahead of the game. So today I'm going to share 12 of my favorite plus size retailers. So these are brands that cater exclusively to plus women. Now, as I have mentioned in the past, there are a lot of brands that are size inclusive, which means that they feature plus and petite and tall and big busted and all, lots of different size categories, but these are brands that are exclusive to plus size women, and they do an amazing job at what they do. So the first is 11 Honoré. So this is a brand that features contemporary clothes exclusively for the plus size woman. So they're higher end, the contemporary labels that a store like Nordstrom or Neiman Marcus or even Intermix, those types of retailers would have, but they are exclusively in plus sizes. I love that they have the higher end, luxurious, contemporary pieces at all sizes. I love this Ava sweater. It's $248. It's a key color for fall, and that V-neck shape can be really flattering. Love it paired with those beautiful pants, and just a great, really elegant, really upscale and contemporary look for fall. So that's 11 Honoré. All of these retailers are going to be featured in my description box below. I have a catalog that's exclusively for those of us who fall outside of standard size ranges. So it's got petite, tall, plus resources in it, and it even has international resources for each of those categories. So definitely check that out in the description box below. 11 Honoré you will find in the plus section of my catalog. Okay, another brand is Torrid. Torrid is one that you may have heard of. It's very popular. They have very affordable, trendy clothes for women of all sizes, all plus sizes. They have denim, they have intimates. It's just a really wide range of offerings that they have in plus sizes. I love that they have wide width boots, because wide width boots can be very hard to find, and they can also be really expensive when you find them. These beautiful brown croc, patterned boots are so on trend for fall. They've got like the squared off toe, they're a beautiful color, they've got that beautiful embossing, and they're only $79.50, which is, I think, an amazing price for something you can wear all fall long. So as I always say, spend the money on things that you're going to get a lot of use out of. Boots, denim, coats, those are things that you're going to wear on repeat all season long, and you really get your cost per use out of them, or get your cost per use down. Whereas if you buy something really trendy, or even a dress or a top that you're not going to wear that often, you're not going to get the same wear out of it over the course of the season, and so your cost per use is still going to stay kind of high. So boots are a great investment. $79.50 for a wide width boot that is really on trend. I love these. Okay, so Ashley Stewart is a brand of really colorful, trendy, body-conscious, plus-size clothes for a really confident woman. You really have to be confident to shop at Ashley Stewart because the clothes are bold, they're fun, they're trendy, they're very body-hugging. But if that's your thing, they have a great selection at really, really affordable prices. This top with the puff sleeves, that's leather, and then it's got knit panels in it to really make it fit and flatter so much better. Love that. It checks all of the boxes for fall trends. It's got, like I said, the puff sleeves, it's got leather, it's a beautiful rusty color, so all of the boxes, and it's only $25. So you can't beat that from Ashley Stewart. Okay, the next one I want to talk about is Marina Rinaldi. Marina Rinaldi is luxurious Italian high-end designer fashion. It's an offshoot of Max Mara. I believe they're still connected, but Marina Rinaldi is luxurious Italian fashion that happens to be plus size. I've noticed that their sizes have actually gone down to a size 4 now, but they started as plus sized, and that's definitely their focus. So their pieces are really well made. They're investment pieces, and they're designed to last a lifetime. So if this is within your budget, this incredible double-sided wool coat. So it just fabulous and gorgeous and glamorous, but it's $1,825. Again, very, very high end, but just a beautiful investment piece that you will have for life. Double-sided wool coat, classic silhouette, and a beautiful color. If you've got a wardrobe full of neutrals, putting a colorful coat like this on top is such a great accent piece, and also a great mood booster for winter. Again, if you're going to invest in a piece that you can wear for years to come in beautiful quality that is designed for your size category. Okay, so I love Marina Rinaldi. I've been a fan for a long time. Co-Edition. Co-Edition has kind of an edit of plus size brands and designers. So a lot of different brands and designers all in one place, all plus size. Love that. They have basics and trends, variety of price points, all in that contemporary price point range. So again, I would compare it to like Nordstrom prices, medium to a little bit higher. This dress from City Chic is the Fleetwood Maxi dress. It's $54.50. It's 50% off right now. It was $109, but $54.50. I mean, it checks a lot of the boxes for fall. It's that beautiful color. It's that flowy shape. It's got the dramatic sleeve. So I love this this City Chic dress at Co-Edition. So Co-Edition, again, lots of different brands, all plus sizes. Okay, City Chic. Now, City Chic's own site is, they ship to over 200 countries. It's a huge brand for plus size women. They have a large selection of trendy clothes for plus sizes, and they have really, really affordable prices. I love this wrap dress. It's called the Opulent dress in a color called Sangria. Again, this is also 50% off. It was $109. It's $54.50. But this wrap silhouette can be really flattering. The ruching and gathering and draping, if you've got a straighter body shape, or like a rectangular body shape, as some people call it, but straight through the hips and waist, this ruching and draping and gathering detail is so flattering, and it's just a beautiful dress for $54.50 from City Chic. Okay, the next one is Eloquii. Eloquii is another really popular plus size brand. They have trendy basics and pieces that are updated for fall, and just basically everything you need. It's kind of one-stop shopping for a plus size woman. I love this kind of loungewear, but it's like elevated loungewear. It's a sweater knit set that's got a cardigan and pants, and I just think they're so yummy. We're doing a lot more time at home these days, and this is just a beautiful, elegant at-home look that if you were going to do a Zoom call or a meeting would be appropriate for almost any setting. So love this from Eloquii. They also have their own subscription box service called Unlimited, where you've got kind of that rotating closet concept. So definitely check that out at Eloquii. If you want to bring new trend pieces into your wardrobe, but you don't want to invest in them, or you don't want to commit to them, and rotating closet option can be an amazing and affordable way to update your wardrobe from season to season. Okay, the next brand I want to talk about is called DayOne. And I love this because it's DayOne, like day one, but it's Day, W-O-N. It calls itself, it's the first fully size inclusive activewear brand. So this is one of the only brands on my list that's not exclusively plus size, but they cater to all sizes, and because they feature such a great selection of plus size activewear, I just had to include them in this list. Love this Aurora performance crop and leggings. I think they're so beautiful. They've got that tie-dye trend going on. They're really flattering with the high waist on the leggings, so everything is held in really, really nicely, and I think it's just a great way to feel stylish while you work out. Okay, Henning. Henning is a New York City-based high-end women's wear brand for work and professional clothing for plus-size women. That's a lot of adjectives, but exclusively plus-sized professional clothing. I love that they are focusing on luxury, professional clothes for the plus size women. That is a really hard niche, a really hard category to shop in if you're plus size. You can find a lot of trendy pieces, a lot of, fun tops and stuff like that. But if you're looking for great, well-made classic suits in a plus size, that can be a challenge. So that's where Henning comes in. This late blazer, it's a stretch chino khaki jacket with a single breast, shoulder pads, and contrasting buttons. This is about $5.95, I believe. So I love this. Again, high-end workwear for plus sizes, but very, very elegant. Lots of beautiful cuts and classic pieces to choose from at Henning. Okay, All 67. All 67 is a brand that started out making just leather jackets for the 67% of women who in the United States who are considered to be plus sized. So that really, in their definition and a lot of definitions, is a size 12 or higher, which we know is kind of ridiculous because so many American women, I think size 12 or size 14 is actually the most popular size in the United States. But All 67 started out just making jackets for women in that size category, and now they have an assortment of other pieces as well. Their leather jackets are amazing. They're definitely an investment. $4.95 for an all leather jacket, but they come in a crop length, and that's the one I'm showing you here. This is the lifetime leather jacket in the mid crop, and they also come in a longer length, so whatever you prefer. But just really beautifully made leather jackets. Again, this is going to be an investment piece that you'll have in your wardrobe for the rest of your life. So choose wisely when you're buying things like this. If you know that a moto jacket is going to be a go-to piece that you're going to wear for a long time, then spending $500 on it rather than buying 5 dresses for $500 is a really worthwhile investment. That's All 67. Okay, Navabi bills itself as the world's prime retailer for plus sizes. So it's an international retailer, has a large selection of designers, all in plus sizes. So it's not just their designs, but a wide range of designers, international designers all over the world. They ship everywhere. The prime address for plus size fashion. That's their claim to fame. I love this Manon Baptiste fringe sleeve dress for $130. That includes the value-added tax because I think it's shipped from Europe, but it's got that fringe detail on the sleeve that's really, really on trend and also really flattering. Can cover any arm issues if you are conscious of your arms. I love the V-neck. I love the classic shape. So beautiful dress from Navabi. Navabi has such a huge range of designers, and if you really want to shop fun, different, unique labels that you've never been able to shop before, that's going to be a great source for it. Finally, the last one I have is Winnie B. Winnie B is basically it's a subscription model exclusively for plus sizes. So they have a rotating closet that you can shop for your size. What's great is, again, this is a wonderful way to update your wardrobe for a season without really investing or committing to a specific trend. If there are trends you want to try out, if you're not sure whether a leather blouse or a leather dress is going to work for you, if you're not sure about, some of the out there trends that you may never have tried before for fall, shopping at a place like Winnie B and using one of those rotating closet subscription services is so cost effective. And it's really a fun way to bring new pieces into your wardrobe every month without investing a lot of money. So Winnie B is, like I said, it's a closet service, a rotating closet service exclusively for plus sizes. They really get to know your brand and your preferences and your size and all of that other stuff, and they really start catering more and more, their selections that they show you more and more to your size. I love this dress. This is from One State. Again, you can shop a lot of the contemporary brands on Winnie B and get them delivered to your door to try for a month. So I hope that was helpful. There are so many great sources right now, way beyond what I could do in one video for plus size women. So if this is your size category, let me know below where you shop, what your favorite go-to places are for your body body and for your body type. As we know, just because you're plus doesn't mean that that's one body type. You still want to take your horizontal proportions and your vertical proportions into account. Plus is a size category. It's not a body type category. So I have body type videos that you can check out that can really give you even more details and more insight in how to flatter your unique body. And again, love to hear what your favorite places are. I'm always updating my plus size catalog. My special sizes catalog, I need to come up with a different name. You need to let me know if you guys have a better idea for a name than special sizes. But that catalog is linked in the description box below, and it features retailers for plus, petite, tall, all of the different categories that we all fall into. You know, I believe that we are all fearfully and wonderfully made regardless of our size and other characteristics. They are exactly how they were designed to be. And so let's celebrate that and shop at stores that help us do that. So thank you again for always supporting me, commenting, liking, subscribing, all of those things. If you haven't already, don't miss out on my next video. So definitely hit the notification bell, hit the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.